Hey YouTube and Facebook, it's Alexander, and today I just wrote, well, I didn't really write, I presented my English final to the class, and yeah, so a couple of new changes. I'm up on the 3rd floor of my house, so there's a new background, and yeah, sometimes I might be recording videos here because it's quiet. And another thing is, I'm wearing a white sweater and a white shirt, because, yeah, I don't know, I just felt I'd change it up a bit. And yeah, now it's the weekend, so I'm gonna have more free time to do some fun stuff, and I'm trying not to study for finals too much. I'm gonna wait till Sunday. So, yeah, that's all I really want to talk about. But, oh, right, the game that Chris showed me yesterday that is really fun is called, from yesterday, is called Learn To, like the number 2, Learn To Fly, and it's really fun. Today in my exam, I spent about an hour and a half playing it because I was bored and I didn't have anything to do because I presented first. So yeah, that's my thing, so I'm going to go now. Bye, YouTube and Facebook.